Then check this out.
Ready now?
Hey people, Kiara here from iDigi Affiliate, and today we're promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets. Now we're only using one account on My Lead Gen Secret. Most people that know about My Lead Gen Secrets have multiple accounts. We're only using one account because you guys are beginners, and I'm just trying to show you guys with minimum effort you can make money online at the easiest way possible. Alright guys, so if you're interested in following along, links are in the description below. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell. And let's get started. Alright, so first off, I want to speak on why I like promoting the $25 business in general. Because of its affiliate system. I think its affiliate system is 80% recurring income. That means that every time you get a sale, you get paid every month over and over again, as long as they stay in the system to the end of time. So sales are much more valuable, and you're not rushing to get sales. I barely get sales, but I still make a lot of money because I'm getting recurring income. All right guys, you understand what I'm saying here? So yeah guys, that's all that is. And yeah, so first off, I'm gonna refresh the page, see what we made. Okay, looks like we did get a sale yesterday.
Nice.
All right, that's fantastic. All right, so let me just show you. First thing I'm gonna do is show you guys how to get these affiliate links here. That's the first thing we're gonna do. So first off, you want to get on my page here. What you're gonna do is scroll down to my descriptions, and then you're gonna see a step 1 and a step 2 once you open up the descriptions. Now you want to click on step 1 here. It's gonna take you to this page here, speaking all about the $25 business and how much money you can make and all that good stuff, guys. It's just gonna continuously explain to you how much money you can make and all that good stuff. You can just read through it if you want to and try to figure out all that stuff if you want to. And yeah, man, it's information about it. And once you decide that you want to try it out, you just click on one of these green buttons here, and you put in your information about the product here. Just put in all your information, including this right here. Now what this is HBA Premium. Now this is a different product, but you get it's all about traffic, teaching you how to traffic and stuff like that. Now the reason why I recommend this is because you have to own the product to get commissions from it. So for example, you buy the product, don't get this product, right? And you just get this right here. And then somebody come through, right, that you put in the system. They decide they want to get this as well, and buy the product. You will get the $20 from the $25 here, but you will not get the $100 from the $125 here, guys. So remember that you won't get the $125 for this. All right, that's very important to understand. So yeah, get this if you want to accelerate the amount of money you can make. You know what I mean? So anyway guys, once you do that, you're gonna eventually get to a page a little something like this maybe. You might have to log in, make your account, log in. Very simple stuff. Just do all that, and you'll get to a page like this eventually. And what you want to do is click on the affiliate zone here. Once you click on affiliate zone here, by the way, this video is explaining all this, guys. I'm just going through real fast. You click this affiliate system here. You want to sign up to the affiliate program here. You click on that. It's going to take you to this page here where you put in very basic information to sign up to the affiliate program. And once you do that, you log into SamCart, and that's going to take you to this page here where you can get all of your affiliate links. That's what you do. You need your affiliate links. And so now we got affiliate links, guys. All right. And this is the one I use particularly. You can use any one you want, but this is the one that's been working for me. All right, so once you do that, you want to go over to My Lead Gen Secrets here. What My Lead Gen Secrets here is, you can mail people 100 leads every single day. It means tomorrow you'll get 200. You'll get another 100 leads you can mail. So you can mail 200 leads tomorrow. You'll mail 100 today, 200 tomorrow. So you keep leads that you receive. All right, very simple thing, and you can email them every day. You can't mail them more than a day because they don't want to overcrowd the people and get you get too many emails, you're gonna want to quit that. Anyway, guys, this is what we're gonna do. All right, we're gonna go to mailing system here. We're gonna select all, and we're gonna go ahead and just pick one of my other emails here. We'll go with this one. Passive income keeps billing, biggest day yet. All right, guys, you can copy that. Pause the video to copy this stuff. All right, I'm giving you these links, this for free. All right, giving you these emails for free that you can use. Let's pause the video to copy them. All right, so yep, copy that. Pause and copy that. Pause and copy that. Pause and copy that. That's the whole email there. All right, so you're gonna put your link right here, guys, right up in there. Very simple. Make sure you hit perfect timing. What that does, sending emails around time people check emails. Make sure you previewing your link works, guys. And we're gonna send an email, and that's all there is to it, guys. Very simple, very quick process for us. And that's all. That's it. Very easy, very quick. The easiest way to make money online, period, guys. Very, very easy. All right, guys. And like I stated before, you're interested, links are in the description below. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.